Hello friends, welcome all of you to this session of batch orientation for Parakram GATE 2027 Computer Science and IT. My name is Abhishek Sharma and I am going to take you through this session for this batch orientation. So here we are introducing the batch Parakram 2.0 for GATE 2027 batch E Computer Science. Okay, so this is the batch that is for and it's an English batch. It's an English batch for 2027. Batch complete name is Parakram 2.0 GATE 2027 batch E. Let's quickly talk about the batch features that we are having in these cases. This batch is exclusively for GATE 2027 aspirants. We will going to provide you the prerequisite lectures that will build your strong foundation. Lecture planner you will get in advance, all every in advance in notice section. Okay, and you will get the all the types of different type of the question that is aligned with your gate pattern, which is MSQ, MCQ and NAT. Your classes will be live and plus recorded lectures by the faculty. Every lectures, after completion of a certain topic, you will be given DPP along with its solution. Previous year question is one of the very important aspect of the preparation, and we have already said that you have to prepare PYQ very well if you want to really perform in GATE examination, because it's a pattern oriented examination. So PYQ will get in quiz format. One of the most required thing is the doubt clarification. We have a doubt engine where when you're watching online or offline, the doubt will be clarified. Apart from that, you have a regular test, weekly test. Each week the classes will be there. Based on that, there will be a provision of weekly test. And after each test, one of the another important aspect is that you need to analyze your test performance. So analysis report will be given after every test. Okay, so these are the badge, these are the feature, full packed with every requirement that is being satisfied in this batch features. Okay, so a student required what? A student required all these things for preparation, and we are providing in this particular batch. Now, let's start here with the planner, and this is one of the best part of the PW, that the entire planner for the entire year or entire duration we will give you in advance, and we'll stick to that. We'll execute it accordingly. Okay, so now batch is starting from tomorrow, Wednesday, 26th August, and I'm going to start your batch with the subject which is data structure. Okay, the timing is also mentioned, 8:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Followed by the batches will be followed by compiler design, that will start from September, C programming 28th of September, and so on. Okay, and so on. And notice here in this cases that there are few lectures are in the recorded form, it will be available, and like DBMS algorithm, it will be recorded. One section here you can notice here that mathematics will be notifying to you that when the this mathematics class will start. So this is the entire planner. You look at the planner, take the screenshot. This is also available in the notice section. When you go to the resource part, when you explore the batch, you will find this planner loaded in the notice section. Okay, so this is the entire planner. Aptitude we will be starting from September 7, Monday, that is September 7, and it will continue till October 9. Okay, timing is also mentioned over here. So this is the planner that we are following, and the live lecture is going to start from tomorrow with the subject data structure. Now, faculty team is led by Vishvadeep sir, is the best in India. Satish Yadav sir will be taking your DBMS and DBMS and discrete mathematics. Sorry, I forgot. Aditya Jain sir will be handling the algorithm subject. Venkat sir will be, taking theory of computation and compiler design. I will be responsible for your C and the data structure. Abhishek sir is going to take computer network. Vinay sir will be teaching you mathematics, and Amolya Ratan sir will be handling the aptitude part. Okay, so the faculties that that is having tons of experience, led by Vishvadeep sir, will be taking computer organization and operating system subjects. Okay, so you are in very safe hand, very experienced hand, and one doubt may come in your mind that whether is it possible, to crack the GATE examination in this short duration. If you plan it properly, definitely it is possible that you can definitely achieve your goal for GATE 2027. Okay, moving on. We have three different plans related with this the normal plan, and then there is an infinity plan, and there is an infinity pro plan, so that you understand it very clearly, because the 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 price will vary accordingly. Okay, so just understand your requirement and then choose for the plan. In normal plan, you will get the live and recorded lectures, topic wise practice sheets with video solution, test with video solution, and doubt solving. And that is the normal package that it is having. The infinity plan includes the khajana, which is the recorded lecture of the previous faculties, and you can choose that from which faculty you want to learn. Okay, so it may be possible that you don't go, your frequency does not match, so from the khazana you can always refer them. Khazana, another advantage is that you can have the self paced classes, like you want to attend, you want to cover 2 or 3 different subjects, so you can prefer from the khajana. GATE PYQ book you will get, hard copy you will get, prelims test series you will get, one-to-one mentorship you will get, and I think that is the real that is the requirement right now. Okay, right now that is the requirement, that somebody will guide you, that how you can go through this remaining time and achieve your goal. Interview guidance program will be also there. That is the plan related with infinity. Okay, now the last one is the highest plan, that is, you can say the add-ons are more into this, and that includes your that is called basically Infinity Pro. And in this Infinity Pro you will get Abhyas Practice Booster. Okay, Abhyas Practice Booster is a set of 3 workbooks, and the main thing about this Abhyas Practice Booster is that you need to practice. The more question you will solve, more recalling will happen, and then you'll be able to retain the concept for the longer period of the time. So that requirement fulfills here, that with the set of 3 books, that is Abhyas Practice Booster. Okay, you'll also get the one of the very high demand, you can say the batch, which is 1500 batch, where top notch questions 1500 will be given to you for the practice purpose. Close group with the faculties, you can clarify your doubts, performance review sessions with the faculty, and also you'll get the access for the PWPI, which is sorry, PWPI. Okay, I said PI, which is basically a OTT platform, subscription based platform, where you can have a subscription of 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and there will be recorded lectures. So yeah, it will be same as, I think the lectures will be same as same whatever available in Khajana. And one of the most lucrative offer is the engineering kit pro. Okay, I'll show you what this engineering kit contains here. Okay, so this is the 3 different plans, and you can choose among them according to your requirement. And you again, first you go through the features, match with your requirement, and then you can go for the normal plan or infinity plan or infinity pro plans. Okay, now as I discussed you that we have this workbook with available, curated by top faculties, consist of challenging problems that will really, you have to when you solve the problems from the workbook, then you will really find them very enriching, and you will learn many things from the problems as well. Okay, so practice questions tailored for the GATE, and complete coverage is there. Text solution is available. It is, as I already said, that it is designed by the faculties, top faculties, and we have organized them with the difficulty level. Okay, so this workbook is those are the features of the workbook, and practice makes perfect, and that is what the purpose of this workbook is. So you don't need to go other places searching for the questions, different websites. So you don't need to do all this thing. You can simply refer this workbook, and your practice, all the requirements will be covered here in this cases. Now, as I was discussed, that this is one of the most lucrative bag, very nice uh, finished bag. You can see the quality of the bag, and it is same as I have seen the bag, so it is same as whatever the picture is, because definitely pictures quality is more enhanced. But yes, this bag is of very good quality. You will get the pens, you will get the that diary, you'll get earbuds, you'll get some stickers, you will get a laptop stand. So you'll get the bag, pen set, earbuds. You'll get some poster that is for the motivation purpose. You create an ecosystem, you create an environment. You'll get a magazine, PSU magazine, where different type of the PSUs related with computer science and offerings, and those who are what are the status, they can they are all compiled in a single magazine form, and there are stickers are there. Okay, so it's a very handy bag, and with a lot of offerings in this bag, and that you will get in Infinity Pro plan. How to get the batch? So for exploring the batch, you have to write here Parakram 2.0 GATE 2027 batch English Computer Science, and this batch will be, this is the name, and exact name should be there, and you will get this batch over here. Okay, and then you can click the buy now, and you can purchase the batch according to your the requirement of different plans. Now, once you purchase the batch, then you will get the a place where all the you will find all the subjects in a folder like format. Okay, this is a folder like format. What are the most important thing here in this case is this notice section, because this will describe this will contain all the planner and all, everything will be available in the notice section. The first thing you have to do is go to the notice section and see what date, which subject is getting started, and then you can see all the folder structure over there. You want to access the class or the resources, simply click the particular folder like data structure, C programming, theory of computation. Okay, they are arranged here accordingly, and then the folder will open. Okay, now if you are not aware of the how faculty is teaching, then definitely faculty details and their demo videos are also present into this. So if you want to feel them, then though every faculty here is having tons of experience, but still if you're not sure how the things are being taught, so you can refer to the demo lectures by the faculty, and you can see that whether frequency has been matched or not. Okay, now once you go to the particular, let's say I go to the discrete mathematics folder, then there will be two sections will be there. One is chapter section and another one is study material section. Okay, so the chapter will be again divided into the topics, different topics, like here in for discrete mathematics there is a combinatorics and mathematical logic. Okay, when you go to the study material, okay, so now here when you click the combinatorics, then all the lectures and resources related with combinatorics will be available. When you go for the study material, there will be a planner, there will be GATEopedia, and there will be PYQ quiz. Okay, so now here there are three things. The planner for the discrete mathematics will be there. GATEopedia will be available only in the PDF format, which is basically a theory book, you can say. That is a GATEopedia, and quiz will be also available for respective in that case, let's say discrete mathematics. PYQs will be available. Okay, DPP is where you'll search. So within the class, when you go inside the class, within the lecture, there will be some attachment, and it will be clearly visible here that there is a practice sheet over here. You can also go to the DPP, and also you go to the notes, and all the things are arranged in this menu form, and you can go to the lectures, DPP note, and DPP PDFs and DPP videos. So everything is available over here. You can have the access for in the PDF form, the DPPs, or you can have in a quiz format. I think whatever you feel comfortable, all the questions will be there. Quiz format will be more interactive. You can see put the answer, and you can check check whether they are correct or not. As I said, doubt engine online as well as offline. How to ask the doubt? So there will be a timeline. When you're watching the lecture, there is a term that is called timeline, and within lecture, within the timeline, your lectures will be displayed, no? And within that, you will get an option here that asking a doubt. Now understand and remember that the doubt will be related with this particular slide should be asked here only. This is the protocol. This is the protocol you need to follow, that if you want to ask the doubt from this particular slide, then use this slide for asking your doubt related with this particular slide. Okay, now suggestions you can give. You can also give the feedbacks whether you like the video. After each video, this will be displayed, and you can have, we want to really hear from you that how we can improve more in this. You can also you can also report issues related with because it's a technical thing. So sometimes videos is not playing, that audio problem, buffering, or anything else. So that also you can report after watching while watching the lectures. Technical related query, in the app and in the website both, there is a term that is called contact us, and there will be predefined queries are there, like there is a compilation of few questions which you may find here that your query is already listed. If it is not, then you can go for chat with us. You can type the query to search your issues are already listed or not. Any other issue you want to reach to the support team, then you can go for the support team, and you can have different issues: payment related, app related, subscription related, books related, and batch related. Okay, so these all things, and then once you click here, then you can go for the reaching the support team, amount deducted and payment failed, or you can describe your query over here. Okay, so that is it. I think that is it for this session. Tomorrow morning 8:30 we are going to start with the data structure subject, and I will be eagerly waiting for you to begin your journey for GATE 2027. Time is very less, and you have to decide it early if you really want to target GATE 2027. Thank you very much. I'll see you tomorrow.